Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a look using our last and final Southern Charm trio from ShopMissA or AOA Studio in Porch Swing. This is a pretty one. I think this one's very pretty for summer. And I have to say though, I can't wait to share the look with you, but this one's probably my least favorite one. We'll get into it soon. A Profusion eyeshadow primer and a hard candy wonder powder to catch fallout. Here is the little trio itself. It's in Porch Swing from the Southern Charm collection. Here is the shades. You get a light pink, a reddish coral shade, and this beautiful shimmery brown shade, which is, to me, is the highlight of the palette. It's so pretty. These are powdery, and you do get some fallout with this one. More fallout with this trio than others in this collection. I'm going to apply the light pink shade on the inner and first half of the crease. I'm going to pick up this coral shade and apply that on the other half of the crease. I'm going to press this in and kind of build it up. And on this eye, it kind of like grabs a little bit and becomes a little patchy in the outer corner, which is super annoying to me. I keep trying to build on top of it and stuff. Not sure what happened there, but it is what it is. I do like that these two shades blend out really nicely. All these trios I've tried blend out really nice, very easily. This beautiful shimmery dark brown shade, and this is dark. It is very powdery. There's a lot of fallout, but it's stunning. It has this like pink sheen to it, which the camera didn't really pick up on it, but it's absolutely stunning. So it pairs really well with this trio. I'd still think that this trio is very beautiful for summer, and there's lots of ways you could wear it, but I think that I would have wanted to have maybe the light matte pink and see all the fallout in there. Oh, there is a ton, and it gets everywhere. I would have liked to have seen a lighter shimmery shade in this little trio over the dark shimmery shade, but it is absolutely stunning, that dark shimmery shade, but there's only so many ways you can use this one, I feel. And this is the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I'm going to use that to highlight the brow, blend the crease down, and then go back in with some little bit of more crease color to help blend that in a little bit more, so I'll have a seamless transition from the crease to the brow. Wipe away the fallout, and on the lower lash line I'm taking the corally shade, and then I'll be taking the lighter pink shade to blend that into the inner corner. And in the inner corner, I'm going to be taking the AOA Studio Venetian Romance Creamy Eyeshadow in Betrothed. This is stunning. It's supposed to be a dupe for the ColourPop Flexitarian. I'm not sure. But I'm just applying a little bit of this in the center of the lid to lighten things up and give it that kind of halo effect. It's a very easy halo eye right here. And I'm also going to take this on a more like dense pencil-y brush, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner so my eyes aren't completely closed off. I'm going to be taking the WetnWild Breakup Eyeliner and tight lighting with that, upper and lower lash line, and the WetnWild Big Poppa Mascara. I do apply a couple coats of this. I'm going to be testing out the Mascara Guard from AOA Studio on camera for you, and this is very easy to use. You just basically stick it, you know, just like I'm using it right here, and your eyelashes, if you do get mascara wand, mascara everywhere, I should say, that it will get on the guard, not the look itself, because I've been having an issue a lot lately with that. So I picked this up to try with some of the mascaras I've been using. So from Sugar, this Matte SL Lip Crayon and Honey. So this is the finished look. I think that if I had to do it over, honestly, I do like how the eyes turned out. I would have picked a different lip, but I do love how bright everything is, though. Very pretty, and I definitely recommend the ShopMissA AOA Studio Southern Charm trios. They are so pretty, so easy to use. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.